Hi Soumya, hi. Now I'm able to score 22 to 25 in VA from 15. How to go more further? Aditya, this is very important for the guys who are already at like in their 20s and who are looking to improve their score further. And I know a lot of their students are there. I feel that the important thing now is for you guys to improve your attempt rate. See, a lot of people are attempting 3 RCs, some are attempting 2 RCs. This is very, very low. I'll tell you for a fact that many students, when they go for CAT without any preparation, also, they attempt all 24 questions. They attempt all 24 questions because they have no like hang-ups about itna hi attempt karna hai or ye nahi karna hai or I won't do this or I won't do that. They end up attempting the entire VA section. Now, this is not a good idea when the VA section is tricky or difficult. That would mean that you will get a lot of incorrect answers and you will actually get a lot of negative marking, but it works incredibly well when VA section is easy. So I need you guys to mentally think that if a person without any preparation can get 24 attempt rate, then I can also get to 24. I just need to push myself a bit more. See, a lot of students might not get 24, but I want you to aim for 24. I want you guys to aim for all 4 RCs and all 24 questions in attempt. Only if you actually do all 4 RCs will you hit 40 marks as such. And that's really the difference between somebody who's scoring in 20s and somebody who's scoring in 40s is attempt rate. So now you have to really push yourself to complete the 4th RC and to do a few VA questions on top of that. Then say that, okay, I'm going to try to do the full VA section as such. I'm not going to leave any question. If you go with that attitude, you will find your score increase. Okay, if you know the basics already, if you understand the basics well enough to reach 20s in VA, the next step 30s 40s will come with better attempt.